guys, welcome back to Wrench Weekly. We got a lot planned for y'all. Stay tuned and y'all gonna see what's up.
So yeah, if you come over with me, we just head into the body shop. Show you guys what we're doing this week. So we've got a lovely C43 here. It's had a full front end collision. I'm joking, that's Alex's car, not damaged. The one in front of that is Golf R, it's getting his wheels done. As you can see, it's on the jack stands. Over here we've got a lovely M3 front end collision insurance job. So yeah, going to be getting that off, new bumper going on, and we're going to be painting the whole front end. It's an individual color, make sure it matches. Over here we've got a Tesla, 1000 horsepower. No, I'm joking. It's electric, it's aluminium, it's had a bang on the wing, door. It was parked up in central London and the lorries just zooped past it. The quarter's gone in as well, and everything on this is aluminium. So yeah, this will be an interesting one to watch. Just going to line all of that up, straighten all the metal primary and paint it, so full side. And it's got stone chips on the front bumper, so we'll also be spraying the front bumper for him. Just get that all freshened up. Next to it you've got A5, again full front end. Customer supplied the panels for this one, so we've got a new bonnet, wings, bumper, so it's getting a full front end. And over here you've got graffiti specialist Linda, up to something.
Right, so here we've got a Mercedes E-Class. It's a W124. It is an old school car, as you can see, and it's all in primer at the moment because the customer came in for a full restoration. So obviously, as it's really old, obviously it's going to build up loads of rust and stuff like that. So we've sanded it all down. I've treated the rust, make sure there's no rust left on it whatsoever, because if there is, it will just begin to spread. After the paint job, you don't want any rust spreading, so you want to get rid of it beforehand, yeah? So what I've done, primed up the whole car, everything. I've just located a couple other bits. I'm just going to quickly touch them up, prime them up, and then rub it all down again. So it's almost ready to go. I've got the wheels off, it's all on jack stands, everything. And that's it. I'm going to finish up rubbing it all down. I'm going to mask it up. I've got all the parts outside as well. They need a bit of bits doing to them. And yeah, that's it. We're just cracking on with it.
We got a 240i in for a downpipe, which essentially we're going to put a sports cat in this option rather than go full decat on this one. As you can see, when it comes to these kind of jobs, we don't really cut the cat out. We obviously bought both of them. These are straightforward to fit. However, on other manufacturers, whether it be Mercedes, whatever it might be, like we will have to be taking the gearbox off if needs be. That way, it can make it a lot easier to go back in the future if you choose to. So obviously, no cutting. We just unbolted, gearbox out, new downpipes, send it, put it back together, we send it, and then let's go. That's what we do.
Hey guys, so you're back. You join us in the tint bay, Golf R in with a lovely customer of ours, in for our chameleon, signature chameleon. And in for our signature front ends. This is going the legal-ish limit, but yeah, let's see how it goes.
I'll see you later, yeah?
Yeah, so what up guys, just finished these Nero design wheels on this Urus here. Yeah, just went satin black, original color. We've done two on one side just so it matches properly. You don't want one side, you don't want one wheel looking different than the other. And with satin, they can kind of differentiate because it's different percentages in satin. So yeah, when it comes down to gloss black is gloss black, but satin black, sometimes each one looks a little bit different, so it's best to just do one on one side, both the same color. Getting these wheels on, these 24-inch Nero design wheels for this Lamborghini Urus. So yeah, just gonna get it down on the floor, get it all torqued up, ready for the customer. I mean, have a look at these brake calipers, they're sick. I mean, the pearl yellow, Very nice color from Lamborghini. Massive carbon ceramics. Really nice spec this car. So yeah, only the best down here, innit? What can I say? So here we've got an F10 M5. We did quite a lot of these. This is a stage 2 package, so we're fitting our downpipes, and then we did ECU tune, and these will go well over 700 brakes. So let's see what this one makes.
Yes guys, over here we've got custom titanium intakes going on GMO's car. Special sauce. Check that out.
I'm the best driver. No one's on smoke. 5 bags anytime, any day. Just give me the location, I'm there.
That's Camp Bonanza, for those of you that don't know.
Hasbulla's gone for a spin, blood.
Active. Hey Cam, you're officially banned from the E63.
Why?
No more test drives. No nothing.
What have I done
never
to
want
it?
to see you in the front seat. Of
What
that
have I
car.
done to it?
No, you're banned. It's out of your league.
Alright, so here we have a M2 competition in, it's just been bought in right now. What we're doing on this is a kit. We've got a Maxim Design side skirts and also a rear spoiler. So we're going to be taking off his old ones. As you can see here, we've got Mario over here. He's cracking on with the job. He's jacked up the car, got it all ready. He's currently removing the old ones. We're going to take them off, make sure these fit on. We're going to put them up to make sure it's all flush and everything. Once it's all good, we're going to rivet in one, just so they hold on really tight. Don't want them flying off when you've got cars like this. They're going to be zooming down the motorway.
Hey guys, join us back in the tint bay where we've got a big monstrous X-Class, one of one. It's got lift kit on it, it's got some big knobby tyres ready to go off-road. You join us here, Jim, the one and only. We're going to do a chameleon on it, our signature chameleon. Let's go.
So yeah, the 124 is finally sprayed. We've laid down the paint. We stayed extra late last night. We're here very late. Just putting our hard work into the job really, because the car is going to be going to a car show very soon. So we do have a deadline on it as well. So yeah, that's it. Paint's all laid. We're going to get the wheels back on, get it outside, and get it fitted up. Also, another thing, the customer did provide us with an AMG kit, which has been painted as well. So we're going to put that on as well. It's going to give it a real nice touch to it. It's going to look really good. So yeah, that's it. We're cracking on with it, getting it all done. We're getting closer to the final stage. It's almost finished, almost there. It's going to be back to the customer, and hopefully he's going to be very happy with it.
Hey guys, you already know what I'm about to say. We're back again in the tint bay with another chameleon. Now this one's got a bit of a backstory to this car. We wrapped it, funny enough, years ago. It's come in for a full detail ceramic coat, coming for our signature chameleon, and a few other little bits and bobs. Now right, let's see how it's going on.
And that wraps up this episode of Wrench Weekly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Y'all gonna see what we got planned for y'all in the coming weeks.